Hi there. So I have an ominous warning for motorized bike builders. Do not cut your gas line too short, because if you're in a climate that's cold, your gas line can shrink. Who knew? I had no clue. So I've ordered a new one. Okay, I've actually ordered a gas line with clamps, and I hope that this doesn't happen again. I'm actually gonna cut this line and actually add in a little slack to robustify this. And actually, this is part of a larger process for me of just robustifying, the bike, so that it is more reliable. Reliability is key, and robustifying your bike to vibration and other things will, I'm sure, enable you to go on longer trips without fear of the bike blowing up and you having to basically walk or pedal it back. One step I'm taking is with chain here. Did I get me? No. So what I'm going to do is actually add. So I have this chain tensioner here, which is the stock one that comes with this kit, and I'm actually going to add a second one. Now, I have no idea if this is a good or bad idea. I just think that 2 is better than 1, because you don't want the chain you don't want this thing going into your spokes, okay? Because if it does, I'm just gonna put it out there, I think you die. I think you instantly die. So I'm actually gonna add a second one so that the pressure is on 2 of them instead of 1, and thus making it safer. Twice as safe, to be exact, I think. I'd further like to know is because of how my engine is mounted, and when I put the cover on here, I actually couldn't add a chain tensioner that mounts to the motor, the ones that other videos will recommend instead of this one, because they think this one's super dangerous, which it is. I actually can't add that because it will not clear the pedal. Okay, it's just like a millimeter too thick and it hits. So my solution is just adding another one to robustify that and make it safer. Those watching this video may have noticed my unique engine motor mount here, and this is I don't know, extremely janky to say the least, okay? But what I noticed when I was mounting this thing is that it just wouldn't fit. Like, the engine just wouldn't fit. So I decided to clamp it against this main beam here, and then this piece, which is supposed to be, I think, on this side. I actually extend the screws, and I use these bolts here to sort of tighten this thing against here, leaving no clamp over here. Now you're probably saying, Steven, that doesn't look very robust, but actually I was hit by a Ford truck 2 weeks ago, and the engine didn't fall out or anything, so not bad. But just in case, I've actually ordered a mounting kit from CDH on Amazon, and I'm hoping in this thing it wraps around this, but it's not supposed to go in here. It's actually supposed to go in here, but I'm gonna put it on here. Yeah, because I'm afraid of losing my my clearance with the pedals on my engine. I don't want my pedals to hit the engine if I move the engine back a bit. So there's that. Hey guys, so if you like this video, if you found it insightful into some of the, to dealing with some of the challenges that may face you with your own unique build, please hit like and subscribe, because more are coming. And they're going to be fantastic, and it's going to be huge.